Welcome to super quick morning flow. You're going to need a block or a belt for today's practice, and start with a seated position with one hand on your belly, the other hand to your chest. And just notice how you feel. Connect with the ground, with your breath. Notice how you feel. Any thoughts coming up, just let it go and go back to the sensations of your breath. This is a great place to set your intention for the day. Notice how you want to feel as opposed to how you feel now. Let's grab your belt. Fold your belt if you need to and hold out your belt in front of you about shoulder width apart. And with your next inhale, you're going to reach both arms up towards the ceiling, just as much as you're comfortable, and as you exhale, bring your belt back. Inhale, reach your arms up, and exhale, come back parallel to the floor. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale. Inhale here. And exhale. Now one more inhale. And this time slide your hand so that you kind of create a square shape. Your arms are just behind your head. Once again, just as much as you're comfortable. And you probably start to feel your pecs just under your armpits starting to stretch. And with your next exhale, lean over to your left side. And inhale, come back up. And lean over to your right side. Now draw your left outer hip down. Opening up your side bodies. Inhale, come back up. And as you exhale, release. Now this is a new trick that I've learned recently. So hold out your belt. You're going to sit on the left side of your butt so that you can hold your belt, and you bring it above your shoulders. With your hands, you're going to pull your belt slightly down towards the floor as you turn your head towards your right shoulder. Now you can hold it here, or slowly you can lift your belt a little higher up towards your ear. It feels so good, and you can stay here as long as you like. A lot of tensions are built up in our neck and shoulders, and this is a perfect stretch. Let's switch to the opposite side. So once again, sit down on your belt, and then bring your belt over your right shoulder and look towards your left shoulder. So you're pulling your belt down with your hands. If you find a sweet spot, once again, you can just stay there without moving. Any tensions in our body represent some kind of tensions in our mind, our emotions, or spirit. Everything is all connected. Let's release your belt. Bring your hands together at your heart center and start rubbing until they get a little warm, and then cover your eyes. It's very, very refreshing on your eyes. Then place your fingertips around your face lines and tilt your head slightly forward, so you're basically supporting your skull with your fingertips. Hold it here, and then you can take your fingertips a little higher up around your hairline. Same thing. And then bring your fingertips around your nose, on either side of your nose. Lift up or push up towards your eyes to open up your nostrils. You might find yourself breathing a little deeper, a little clearer. Then use your fingertips and start to pinch fast and quickly all around your face, waking up your skin, waking up your cells, more blood flow rush in. One of the people that I met throughout my traveling is someone who teaches face yoga, and she said that this is what she does every single day, and she had the nicest, the most radiant skin. And it feels very, very refreshing. After that, you can grab your earlobes and gently pull down your earlobes towards the ground, opening your ears. And then straighten your left leg on your side, reach your right arm up, and slowly lean over towards your left side. Keep your chest open. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, lean over to your left foot. Keep your left leg active. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, lean towards your left foot. Inhale, back up. And exhale, reach towards your left. And then take your right arm just behind you. You're not grabbing anything, just let it hang as you turn your head towards your left shoulder. Once again, it's a big neck stretch. It feels very, very good to do this in the first thing in the morning. Reach your right arm up, slowly come back up. And let's switch to the opposite side. Reach your right leg up, out to your right. Left arm reaches up. As you exhale, lean towards your right. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, lean over to your right. Inhale, come back up. Exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. And take that left arm behind you, look towards your right shoulder, and let your neck hang here. During my morning practice, I often let the breath move my body as opposed to a set sequence. It's one of my focus in the morning. Reach your left arm up. Come on back onto your seated pose and let's twist to your right. Hold it here. And then come back to the center, switch to the opposite side, keeping your chest lifted. Let's slowly come back to the center. And you're going to stand up with your feet about hip width apart and find the wall so that you can put your bum on the wall. Your feet are slightly more forward than the wall and fold forward. My hamstrings are extremely tight in the morning, so I love bending my knees, and you find the happy medium where you still feel a stretch in your hamstrings, but my spine is still long. Find the block or cushion. Inhale, come up to your halfway lift, and as you exhale, fold forward. Let the breath move your body. Exhale, fold down. Notice how I'm bending my knees here. Inhale, halfway lift, long spine. Exhale, fold forward again. Inhale, come back up to your halfway once again. Exhale to your left side. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, fold forward towards your right. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come back up to your halfway lift, hands to your hips, pull your navel in and up, keep your legs strong, and fold forward. As you bring your knees to the ground, have a seat on your shins or cross-legged position, whichever you prefer. Bring your hands to your heart center and find gratitude for our body as a temple or a vehicle, for our breath as life force. Gratitude to ourselves to have chosen something different, something that is good for us once again this morning. And that's it for the practice this morning. Hope you have a great day.